Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And so I wanted to let you know we're working on a Grand Design reflection today, and we've done quite a few upgrades to it. We're currently finishing off the Roadmaster comfort ride system on here. And so as you can see, the comfort ride system was installed. We're also doing a wool bearing pack. Some of the things I want to point out while we were doing this, we ended up finding some cracks in the frame. And so here's a frame plate that we've had to alter because of the slide out system. And then on the forward, here's one we had to alter a little bit because of the actual gusset. So people keep asking me, like, oh, hey, you're just slapping a plate on there and welding it. And no, that's not the case. What we do is we're drilling out the cracks on both ends, grinding it out, filling it with weld, grinding it down smooth. Then we go ahead and put the frame plate on after we've, in this case, we've had to alter this one, and that one we've had to alter that one as well. And so when we've done that, then we go back and you weld around the perimeter of the plate, and then you weld inside the eye to help hold it in place. So if you have any questions or if you have any problems, make sure that you're checking your hangers. So obviously this is a leaf spring hanger here. This one is actually on a box tubing and it's on an I-beam, but the I-beam is a smaller I-beam than normally what we see. You can see how the plates hanging off a little bit. Those plates come pre-fabricated from Lippert, and so we ordered those from them off their bulletin. I believe their bulletin is like an SF-103, I think is the number. It's listed in our photo albums and such in Grand Design RV owners in the RV shop with Dustin. So check that bulletin out. That'll tell you what the procedure is and how to do it. They also want us to do a cross support when we're doing these. And this particular cross support we weren't able to do because underneath there was a water gate valve. And so we had to contact the customer back and say, hey, do you want to go ahead and go with a ride drop cross beam support, which they went ahead and approved. So we got that installed, and I'll do another video on that here in just a second. But thanks so much for watching. And if you're in need of suspension upgrades or frame crack repairs or cross beam installations, give us a holler. We're here to help you. Thank you so much for watching.